How to connect your Netflix from your phone to your smart television. So in this video, I'll show you how to sign into your Netflix account using your mobile phone. So first thing we need to do is just go and load up Netflix on your TV and then click on the sign in button. Now once you're on this sign in page, you'll see this QR code. So there's basically two different ways you can go and sign in to your Netflix account. You can either grab your smartphone, so I've got my iPhone here, and then we can use the iPhone camera to point at the QR code. You can see it will detect this as a QR code, and then you can click on the link at the bottom of the page. Now, as long as you have the Netflix app installed on your phone and you're signed into Netflix, you can basically use this to sign yourself in automatically on your TV. So you'll just need to enter the 6-digit code displayed on your TV, and then you can go and press Link Television. Now, once you've done this, it will automatically sign you into Netflix. Now, if it's not working, there's another way to do this as well. So just go and open up an internet browser on your phone, and then open up the website netflix.com/TV2, and then go and press enter. Now once you're on this website, go and enter the code as displayed on your TV. You can then press continue, and as long as you're signed into your Netflix account on your mobile phone, it's automatically going to connect to your television.